Hey guys, I'm Lauren Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a clip of what the joggers look like before I start cutting them up, and here's the after product. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. So at this point, I had already tried the joggers on to see where I wanted my shorts to hit, and I'm just going about a half an inch down to allow seam allowance. And yeah, we're just cutting it, and then I'm just gonna flip that over and make sure that the other side is the exact same length. So at this point, we're going to put the shorts to the side, and we're going to take our excess pieces of fabric, and I'm just going to cut the seam out of this side of this pant leg. At this point, I'm lining up the pant legs to show you guys just like a little preview of what it's going to look like, but in the end I end up cutting the other side of the pant leg open too, so that I would have more fabric to work with. I also messed up, but you guys will see in the end that I didn't make the tube top wide enough so that the stripes are actually on the side. They're actually in the front. But I mean, you live and you learn. Next time I'll do it better. Yeah. But right now, all I'm doing is flipping both pieces inside out, and I'm cutting off the excess fabric. I had to go get some actual fabric scissors, but yeah, I'm cutting it off, and then I'm going to pin it and sew it up. As you can see, I'm pointing out where I'm going to sew it, and I'm just sewing it as close to the white stripes as possible so that you don't see that there's a seam. So guys, I'm on the sewing machine, and I'm just going to use a straight stitch to sew this up. So after sewing the two pieces together, this is what it looks like, just one huge piece. And now I'm setting the tube top on top of that fabric so that I can cut off the excess so that it can be an actual crop top. So what I'm doing now is hemming the crop top so that when I wear it, I don't look raggedy and have raw edges showing. You know how some people be doing it. I'll just be like, baby girl, no, no. It's all pinned up, and now we're going to take it over to the sewing machine. So it's all sewed up, and now I'm just going to cut off the excess fabric on the inside, but only on the bottom part, because I wanted to keep the top fabric so that it gives the top some weight and it doesn't pucker out when I sew it up and put it on. So I'm now going to take the top and I'm going to flip it inside out and fold it up and pin it along the back so that I can put the last seam in and sew it up, and then that'll be it. So this is the finished product of the tube top, and we just have one seam going down the middle of the back. And as I told you before, I messed up, so the stripes are down the front instead of on the side like I wanted them to be, but it's still very cute and I'm proud of myself. So now we're moving on to the shorts, and the only thing we're going to do here is we're going to put a hem in, and yeah. So this is the finished product of the shorts. I just put in a double stitched hem, and I really like how these came out. I'm so excited to make more fashion videos, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what I should do next for a fashion video, because I'm really open to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.